Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 9 times 9 divided in bracket 9 plus 9 plus 9 is equals to what? So can you find it? Which is the correct option among these 1, 3, 9, 27? So comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell here on the channel because we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now let's take a look. Some people solve it from left to right, this type of simplification, and some solve it from right to left. But we are going to take a rule that helps to choose the operation, that is BODMAS rule. So it tells us first you have to solve the bracket, then of exponent, then division, multiplication, addition, and at last subtraction. So according to this question, we have to first solve the bracket. So 9 times 9 divided, we will write it same. Now 9 plus 9 is 27. Now 9 times 9 divided 27. Now we have two operations left, that is multiplication and division. So we have to do the division first. So 9 by 27, which is equals to 1 by 3. Now 9 times 1 is 9 by 3, which is equals to 3, which is option number B. Comment down below if you already cracked it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.